All right, I am going to do problem 3.13c in StatCrunch. So first I went to StatCrunch.com, I logged in, I'm going to click on My StatCrunch, and then I want to type or paste data into a blank data table. So here I have a blank data table, and I'm just going to recreate the table that is in the book. So causes of death and percent. And I'm going to abbreviate some of these just to make the video shorter, but you can type them in exactly as they are in your book. So there's heart disease, cancer, circulatory diseases and stroke, respiratory diseases, accidents, and then other. Filling in the percentages. And then if I calculated right, it should be 33.2 for other. So now I have my summary data set. Now I want to make a bar graph of this data set, which would be, I think, an appropriate display. So I'm going to choose to make a graph, then a bar plot, and I'm going to choose with summary. Since I don't have the full data set with one row per patient observed, I just have the overall percentages in each category. My categories are the causes of death, and my counts, I don't actually have counts, I have percentages, but they're in the percent column. And then I want to select order by count descending so that the bar on the left of my bar graph has the most frequent cause of death and then descending from there. So if I compute this plot, it's looking pretty good, but actually the y-axis should be labeled percent instead of frequency. So down at the bottom corner of the plot, I'm going to pick the 3 lines, select y-axis, and change frequency to percent. And then I just need to save this figure so that I can put it into a Word document or some other document format for submission. So under options, you can choose to download the file. I'm going to call it DVB3-13C StatCrunch. Then when I say OK, I'll get the option to download that file to wherever I want to on my computer. I will save it. And now that file has been downloaded to my computer so that I can use it like any other figure file that I might have.